Hi, ladies. Welcome. Thank you for joining me today with our card class. So, Di, do you want to go first and tell us what you made?
Yeah, sure. I made this one with that lovely
Ooh,
blue in the background.
yeah, I like your black
It's
bits.
pretty much on point to what you have.
Yep.
And then the one with the cards. I have two cards because this is for
Ooh,
someone who has two cards, those colours.
yeah,
Bespoke
very nice.
And the last one went a bit mad with all the gears.
Oh, wow. Oh, so what did you do on the sentiment bit there? You've used both the colours.
I've used both of those colours you gave me.
Cool. Great.
Yeah.
So that's pumpkin pie and a terracotta tile, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I used terracotta tile on the
on the background. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's good. Oh, wonderful. Okay, Roz, off you go.
Well, mine's sort of nowhere near yours.
I know they're all individual. I love it because they all turn out so different.
When I did the embossing on the background, one of the gears slipped and caused a tear. So that's where the X marks the spot of the tear.
Yep, that's fine. That's fine.
And I did a lovely yellow gold card.
Wow. Oh, nice. I like that car.
Yeah, so that's all pushed out with dimensional. So yeah.
Yep.
And then on the geary one, I just did that.
Oh, very good. Oh, gee, they all look so different, but they're so. I love the set. They're looking really good. And okay, how'd you?
Put little some of the little cutout dots from the cutting on the as extra bling.
Oh, okay. And did you put anything on the inside of your cards?
That's what's going on inside.
Okay, cool.
It hasn't been stuck in yet.
That's all right. No worries. Did you put anything inside, Di?
I have only put this inside the one with the cards, just one little bottom. And this one I tried doing the stamping with the, you probably can't see it, but it didn't work very well. But it sounded very okay. It's okay. I'm okay with that.
Oh, cool. Oh, lovely. Okay. So is that you two done?
Yeah,
that's
good.
That's
Thank you. And Athena, how did you go?
Well, I decided that gears should be dirty, so I roughed up mine and I sort of went off point.
Yeah.
And I used the holes as extra bits on the gears.
Oh, yeah.
I actually used the glue and roughed up the gold.
Okay.
So it gives matte sort of I also distressed the edges of the card of the Sahara sand, and I lightly blended the Sahara sand onto the sentiment as well, so it wasn't so white.
Yeah,
rather distressed. So that's my version.
Very nice.
I used the edge of the dry gear for the corner.
That was clever.
Second card, very similar to yours. I just switched up the on the sides and I added an extra one there. I didn't color in the card, but I did two-tone stamping. And I don't know if you can see, there you go. You can see that I put stays on the gears again, just to get rid of the shiny part of it.
Right.
And that one, again, same sort of thing, just the edges.
Yeah, it looks really cool using the edges.
Then I have this guy, which I've switched the orientation.
Yeah.
Pretty much what you had done, I've sponged the reverse side of the gear, which gave you the outline. But what I discovered was if you turn the two larger gears around, two of the holes actually match up, and the gears in the middle actually intertwine. So I've layered the other gears on top now. I don't know if you can see. I've also added copper all-purpose ink, and I've stressed of the cardstock there, and I've put the sentiment, and inside I've done that.
Woo! Oh, wow.
Wow.
Very fancy. Wow, so I'm very impressed. Very nice. Thank you for sharing all that. And thank you for, I just love the way they all turn out so different, everybody. Oh, I've done mine a bit different to my originals too. So this one's almost the same. So that's got the, bring it up a bit so you can see it better. So I've basically stuck to it. I used a different ink pad to do around here though, to my first card, which I had done with a different ink pad. So they're both black, but depending on what ink pad you use, like this one had more of a definition on the pad and that one came out like that, but I'm happy with that. I really like the effects on that. So we've embossed the background using the silicone mat on the stamping machine, and we took out the base, one of the plates, number 2, I think it was, we took it out. So this one, I've used the stamp to stamp this little strip here with the oil thing, which is cool. And that's basically the same as my first one. And oh, inside my cards, I did that bit using the dies on an ink pad. Just put it on and put it on there, and that seemed to work, so that was good. And on the inside I've used the little nuts with the pear pizzazz. And on this one I've copied Athena. I've cased Athena on the gears and lined them up using the holes there and there. So that looks a bit different to my original card as well. There's the original one. So similar, but I like doing them all different. So I've put 2 cogs on this one up the front here. And yeah, basically that. And then I've used a couple of spare ones that I'd cut out at the same time inside. So that's us for today. So thank you so much. And next time we're going to be playing with the Sand and Sea, which is still in the mini catalogue at the moment, and that goes till June. So some things will be retiring though then, so grab them if you want them. And I have all of that set, so I'll do my pre-cut kits again. And if you just let me know if you purchase that, and I won't cut the bits so you can cut them while you have fun playing in the class. So good. Oh, thank you so much, everyone. I'll catch you next time.
Bye.